sexy. They won't take me out my element. Nah, take me out my element. Damned if I do, if I don't. Let the attack begin.
What's happening, YouTube? Today I'm going to go ahead and start the installation process of the AirLift suspension on the car. Last night I stayed inside. It was kind of cold in the garage, so last night I stayed in and I did all the pieces all I can, put all the hoses and fit all the pieces to the air tank and stuff like that. So the main parts I'm just going to show is like taking out the suspension. I'm going to show you what it looks like after I got the stuff mounted in the trunk. Here's the rat's nest of wires, drain. I just gotta coil it up and zip tie it because the wires are so long, because my battery is right here in the trunk, so no need for all the wire to run from the front to the back. And then there, this is where I'm out of my tank so far.